Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Wallet to Axiom Pro. In this walkthrough, we'll be connecting your wallet to Axiom Pro using the Phantom extension. As we go, it's important to be careful with any private wallet information you may see on screen. If a recovery phrase or private key is displayed during the process, make sure you keep it completely private and never share it with anyone. To begin, open Axiom in your browser. Once the site has loaded, look for the Phantom extension and click on it. This will open your wallet so you can access the settings and account details needed for the connection. After the Phantom extension opens, click on your profile. From there, go to the lower right area of the wallet window and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, choose Security and Privacy. This section contains the options related to your wallet's sensitive information, so move carefully and make sure no one else can see your screen. Next, click on Show Recovery Phrase, and then follow the on-screen procedure to continue. Depending on your setup, you may need to confirm your identity before this information is revealed. Take your time here and be sure not to expose any sensitive details while completing this part. Once that is done, return to the profile area at the top right of the screen. Open it, then click on Account and Security. After that, select Manage Account. This will bring you to the section where you can make changes to the account setup and import wallet information. Now click on Import. At this stage, Axiom Pro will prompt you to enter the private key from your Phantom wallet. Carefully paste or type the key into the required field exactly as shown in your wallet. Accuracy matters here, since even a small mistake can prevent the wallet from importing correctly. Before you finish, double-check that everything has been entered in the correct place. Also remember that your private key is extremely sensitive. It should only be used in the appropriate secure field during this setup process and should never be saved in an unsafe location or shared with others. Once the import is completed, your Phantom wallet should be connected to Axiom Pro, allowing you to continue using the platform with that account. That's it for this guide on how to connect Wallet to Axiom Pro. Take your time with each screen, especially when handling security information, and you should be able to complete the process smoothly.